I'm currently in the Northwoods of Wisconsin right now in the middle of winter, and I'm searching for a place to spend the night. It's already pretty cold today. It's like 16 degrees Fahrenheit right now, and it's supposed to get down to about 9, so it's gonna be a chilly night. As always in the winter, we're running out of daylight, so we better get going. I think the spot should work. There's just something about a big rock that I can't turn down, so. This will work. I did want to go with something a little more low to the ground because it's going to be pretty cold tonight. So if there is a breeze coming through, I wanted to make sure I was kind of out of it. And so we got low. Brother. That one was heavy. Oh, I hope you like my pants. They're pretty wild color, but I got them for like 50 cents and they're fleece lined and so warm. So I'm sacrificing fashion for function because I'm normally so fashionable. I'm gonna try to boil that water and cook pasta. I don't know if that's a stupid idea. It's not dehydrated, it's just normal pasta. I don't know, I guess we'll find out. We're making pasta with andouille sausage tonight. Got some tomatoes and chilies and some cheese to go with it. I'm definitely hungry. Oh, there it is. Oh, it smells so good. Yeah. That is really good. It's so good. I was so hungry. It's gonna be a good night. I got this. Got hot chocolate. I got a chocolate mint brownie that Michelle made. Holy smokes. Boy, the temperature is dropping fast. You can feel it. My hands are getting so cold. I'm right here by the fire, but this side is cold. A full moon and clear skies tonight. It's so crazy how bright it is. When you have a full moon and snow cover on the ground, you can just walk around without a light. You can see perfectly fine. Also means it'll be a cold one tonight. Gotta make sure not to melt my water bottle. That's what I did with my last one. I had it too close to the fire and then it warped really funny. Don't want to do that again. I'll warm up my brownie. That was good. Ow! Oh my gosh. That's good. That's really good. It tastes a little bit better after all that hard work. Getting all the wood cut, getting the shelter set up and everything, finding the spot, hiking in. Waking up to a little bit of snow this morning. That was a pleasant surprise. That's always fun. I love that. I got to scoot out of here this morning, so I'm not going to make a fire or anything, but I do want to get warmed up because it is still really cold today. It got down to like 9 degrees last night. But I have a really good way to get warmed up that I'm going to show you here. Basically, you just need to get the body moving. You can do any of these movements, really. Any of them work. They all get you warmed up. And on the plus side, if anybody sees you, you get massive street cred as well while you're doing this kind of warm-up exercise routine. Well, that was a great one night out. The snow is a wonderful surprise. I love that. But this one is coming to an end. So, as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.